Stop letting banks hard pull your credit report before you even know you are approved. Every time that you apply somewhere blind, you're literally gambling. You take a hit on your credit report, you're waiting, you're praying, then you get the no. And now you have a ding on your credit report and you have nothing to show for it. But there are credit unions out there that can flip this whole thing around. We're talking about Liberty Federal Credit Union. They literally let you see your approval before the offer and before you even accept it, and before the hard pull. My client was able to get a soft pull of $11,000 of a credit line, saw the offer same day, no serious relationship to the bank just yet. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it, because in today's lesson, we're going to be going over Liberty Federal Credit Union, their soft pull qualifications, and how you can get similar, if not more, of a credit line. So what I want you to do is go grab your pen and paper, and without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, so let's go ahead and start with the part that makes Liberty Federal different, because most people they pretty much never seen this. Most lenders make you apply first and then you find out later, as we all know, okay, whether you're on the personal side or the business side. You authorize a hard pull, your score drops a few points, and then you learn if you got approved and for how much. Sometimes it can be a bummer if you don't get what you actively thought you were going to get. Liberty, again, flips that order like I said in the beginning. They run a soft pull on your TransUnion first. Yes, they pull TransUnion as in the making of this video. And the soft pull doesn't touch your score at all. And then from that, they show your pre-qualified offer, okay? And the numbers that you're looking at. You get to look at it, you decide, and only when you accept, the hard pull comes after. So you're never guessing. You see the offer and then you choose, which is way better. In my opinion, I love that, okay? And that's the whole point. My client opened the account and ran the pre-qualification the same exact day. And the number came back $11,000. No hard pull yet, no risk. Just the offer sitting there waiting on a yes. And I'll break down more of my client in a second, but just keep hearing me out. That's a completely different experience than walking into the bank and just hoping. And that's exactly why this credit union is worth knowing. So let's get into why my client got the offer and why you can do the same exact thing. Because here's the part that should kind of give you hope. Because where my client started was way from the beginning. This person came in and they wanted to get into business funding, business capital. But when I looked at their credit report, I said, hey, we're going to have to fix your credit first. You can't do anything with this and your credit profile. So when they went through my credit repair program, all the negatives were gone. They had no real profile after that. So they had no negatives, but they really only had like one positive account. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was like Santander or something like that. If you know, you know. And like I tell people all the time, if you just have no profile, but you have just cool, nice scores, it means nothing. A clean slate isn't as strong as a file. They had nothing built that a lender could really look at them and trust. So we had to build it. Can't just go over to the business side. So this is how we got to Liberty. And by the time they applied, they were sitting at a 702 across all three bureaus. No inquiries, no negatives, a clean, real fundable profile. And they opened their Liberty account and pre-qualified the same exact day. Like I said, and no prior relationship at all. And the $11,000 offer came back on the first try. So for a lot of you that have no profile, no comparable credit, that's a dream. A clean 700 credit score and you have $11,000 credit limit. This sometimes puts you in a way different bracket. I'm telling you, especially on the credit side. And just like for them, this could be your first high limit credit card from a real high reputation credit union and not just a store card that you got and it doesn't mean anything for you, okay? But notice what made it work. It wasn't luck and it wasn't a credit union just being generous. They were being generous. I'm not gonna say that they were being generous, but it was a profile that was built on the purpose to say yes, okay? It's a difference between an approval and a denial. And it's where most people, if not a lot of people, get stuck. Now, building the right profile, getting ready for funding, getting the right sequencing, having that 700 credit score. This is exactly what we do inside the FHART Capital Funding Program and the Credit Repair Program. So if you're a business owner that has a 700 or higher, then what I want you to do is click the link below to sign up for that capital consultation. If you have negatives, then what I want you to do is click that link below to sign up for a credit repair consultation. So we can get you this $11,000 limit and more moving forward. So if any one of those stick out to you, click those links down below, and I will see you on that call. But enough about that. Let's get into the next section. So let's go into the first one, which is a big one. The credit union is not geo-restricted. It's not geo-restricted, and you don't have to live in a certain state or a city. Okay, so you don't have to do anything crazy, try to say that you're in the military and you're not. So this is definitely helpful. The one that separates it from a lot of other better credit unions that lock you out of a zip code. Okay, number two, and the second one, the score. I would say a 670 or better can get you really respectful limits. Okay, again, my client was at a 702, and that landed, I believe, the $11,000 limit. The cleaner and higher you are, the more they'll kind of trust you with. Now, if your score is lower than that, you're not out. I'm not saying that at all, but the path is going to be a little different. What I've noticed is Liberty does work with members who do have lower scores, okay, lower scores, just like Navy Federal. They just expect you to build a relationship first, okay? So that means joining, open the account, open that, personal savings account, the personal checking account, show that you mean business and you actually want to be there. Even put your direct deposit over there, okay? And I would say let that season for at least 30 to 90 days while you're fixing your credit. Now, if you have, and let me say this, when I say lower scores, I'm mainly talking about if you have maybe some utilization, maybe a little bit, maybe a little over 30%, maybe an old late payment, they'll look out for you, especially if you show them that you're trying to be an actual member. But if you come in here and you have maxed out utilization, you got 4 or 5 collections, 4 or 5 late payments, don't expect anything, okay? There's a threshold for everything. Fix your credit first, then go after these banks. Nobody wants to fund you because you look irresponsible, okay? Nobody's gonna take pity on you. Fix your credit, then come back, okay? Just being honest with you. Now, a few more things worth knowing is for the personal approval, they're not asking for a stack of documents. So still, I still want you to have information ready just in case. Now, what I say for that, I mean, making sure that you don't have any fraud alerts on your credit report. A fraud alert on your file can work against you, especially for your approval. So clear that up before you apply. Especially if you've been through the credit repair process, sometimes they'll put a fraud alert on your report and you don't know it. So just check that out before you apply. And from that, we've seen that these credit unions aren't especially super inquisitive or super happy when it comes to inquiries, okay? And you gotta understand, I know it's a small thing, but you want to make sure that you don't have any inquiries, moving forward, because if it looks like you're fishing for credit, they're gonna get kind of scared and then they're just gonna deny you. So no inquiries. Now let's talk about the mistake that almost ruined this whole operation, and please hear this out, because I'm telling you, with everything that we had in order, we almost lost this 11K approval. And this is something that you really need to hear. Remember how in the beginning I told you that Liberty ran a soft pull on their TransUnion to show you the offer, or show my client the offer? When you go in to accept, that's when the hard pull actually hits. And when it hits your TransUnion, that's pretty much it. Your score go down maybe like a couple of points, that's it. No harm, no foul. But what my client they tried to keep their TransUnion frozen. If you know, sometimes you can go to these places where soft approvals, you can unlock or unfreeze your TransUnion, freeze it, and then go back and try to apply and try to, accept the offer. Liberty wasn't having any of that. So I'm telling you right now, if you try to run this play, they will tell you to unfreeze your TransUnion, all right? And then they'll tell you, hey, we need to look at this just to make sure. So just lock this in, okay? They're not going for any of that. Make sure that your TransUnion is thought out before you accept anything, because you don't want any super manual underwriting just to make sure. You don't want any more eyes on your report, because anything that happens after that can make lower limits or denials. Be like, hey, we had a second opinion, we're actually going to deny you. You don't want that. Just take the hard inquiry, okay? Now, Liberty does work a lot like Navy Federal. Once you're a member, you build that relationship, you start really unlocking more. You access their personal loans, their credit cards, bigger limits, and over time, it gets even better for you. One good account becomes the door to a whole new lineup of products. And even for a business owner, that's a real play. A high limit personal credit card and access to personal loans are really, really reputable when it comes to credit unions, just in general. It could be a capital bridge, and it's fuel to stack underneath pretty much your business funding and what needs to be structured correctly. And that's just the foundation. Okay. One strong account today turns into real options tomorrow. So now let's bring this home. Now, when it comes to Liberty Federal, I know I didn't get into everything like the personal loans and everything and stuff like that. They do have a business side, but I just want to tell you from my client's perspective, before you accept the offer, just make sure that, you have your TransUnion in order. Don't have a lot of hard inquiries. It's non-geo restricted and it's I would say 670, 680 or better. You get respectful high limits. Okay. But building that relationship over time is going to give you way more options. The reason why that we went to Liberty is because we needed to build my client's profile. So this 11K limit is going to pretty much put them in a different position when we go for funding. Now, this isn't the only thing that we're going to get, but we're going to get way more things to keep thickening out the file. So then they have the score, they have the profile. So when we go on the business side, now they're getting these 10, 15, 30, 50, $100,000 approvals overall. And now they're able to either start or scale their business. I'm telling you, if they can do it, you can do it as well. Now, I want to talk to two separate people. If you're a business owner again, and you have a 700 or better, just like my client, and you're looking for $50,000 to $300,000 in business capital, then what I want you to do is click the link below again to sign up for a capital consultation. We're going to literally structure everything out, the connections, the business entity, anything that you need to make sure that we get you everything that you're looking for so you can start and scale that business. Now, if you're a business owner and you want to get into Liberty, but you have these negatives on your credit file, then don't worry, I'm still going to help you. Because what I want you to do is click that link below to sign up for a credit repair consultation. Let's structure your foundation, aka your personal credit. Let's get that in order. And then we're going to move over to the business side. Okay. The quicker we get this over with, the quicker we can get on this side so you can start changing not only your life, but your family life by building wealth. So if any one of those point out to you, what I want you to do is click those links down below right now, and I'll see you on those calls. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope this helps you guys. I might make another video, a more in-depth video about Liberty Federal, what else they have to offer, just to kind of help you guys, give you more data points so you guys can win more on the personal side. And then if you decide to go on the business side, you can do that too. Again, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. And until next time, ladies and gents.